It's Richard here from Aussie Skier, and I am here with the Blizzard Firebird HRC. So the HRC is a ski that we're pretty familiar with. The previous model, which was a bit wider underfoot, is actually a ski that we chose to have in our sort of personal fleet, and it's actually still there. So we've got a lot of days on it, really enjoy skiing it. We skied this narrower one 69 millimeters underfoot at the ski test a couple of years ago, and then again today. So the HRC is a 69 mil underfoot race construction, sort of characteristically feels like a GS ski, but modern GS skis, especially fist skis, have got a very straight side cut, and this one at 15 meters feels like characteristically like a GS ski, but that 15 meter radius is a bit more appropriate for everyday carving, especially in Australia. Our mountains just aren't long enough for a proper FIS GS ski. So, you know, it's a long-term biased ski, very powerful. Skiing here today was, the piste was fantastic. We've had 2 days of snowfall. Everything got groomed in today, and some really nice velvety snow up high, and as is often the case in Europe, a little bit scrapey down low. So this thing holds an edge on absolutely anything at any speed. I'm not capable of generating the sorts of speeds or G-forces that you would need to overpower a ski like this. So this is something that, you know, all but the strongest skiers aren't even going to realize its full potential. You can just stand on this ski and trust that it's going to hold and get you around the corner. So for people who really want that long-turn carving feeling in a ski with a 15-ish meter radius, this is a fantastic choice.